always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Last year by this day, we already had 12 inches of snow in the Grand Rapids area, and right now we're running that deficit of 12 inches of snow. And just a couple of days ago, I thought we put a pretty good dent into that. That's not the case. With these areas of low pressure, they can move and shift a little bit, and it looks like the snow is going to be north of the major metro areas. Temperatures critical as storm systems move in. 39 degrees currently in Grand Rapids, 32 in Big Rapids, and it's snowing right now up there. First, let's start out with a camera view. We'll take you right to Kalamazoo, and the rain has started, and it's going to continue probably over the next, I would say, 15 to 20 hours. Radar showing where that rain snow setup is north of Grand Rapids, and it's going to stay north of us, but it has creeped a little bit south and making its way in extreme northern parts of Kent County. A little bit of a mix there. There is going to be a very sharp cutoff between the rain and snow right now through this event. Farther north you go, the better chance of picking up substantial, heavy, wet snow. And you can see how broad the moisture is. There's a ton of it out there, very typical of these area of low pressures that come up from the Gulf of Mexico. And you can see where the colder air is mixing in with it. On the northern fringe of it, it is snow, and that's pointed right towards central and northern parts of the state. That area of low pressure by tomorrow morning will be located just south of Chicago, and it's going to take a track right across southern lower Michigan. Watch how the snow stays north of Grand Rapids, but at times some heavy rain moves through. This area of low pressure by tomorrow evening should be located right around the thumb region, and by that point, a lot of the moisture is going to be winding down, at least the heaviest of the moisture, and then it will continue pivoting towards Canada or into Ontario, and then opening up the door to actually a pretty nice day on Sunday, albeit cooler. So here's a rain futurecast where it's going to be all rain. It looks like anywhere between an inch to an inch and a half of rain possible there. But to the north, where we're going to see mostly snow up around the M46 corridor and points to the north, that's kind of going to be right where we're going to see that line kind of vary back and forth. That's where you could see 4 to 7 inches worth of snow. And right now, I'd head probably closer to the 4 to 5 inch mark in Oceana, Newaygo, and also into Mecosta counties, and a very narrow line, southern Newaygo County, northern Montcalm County, and Muskegon, where we'll see about 1 to 4 inches of snow. So here's a setup because of that potential of wintry weather. The National Weather Service has a winter storm warning, Oceana, Newaygo, Mecosta counties, and counties to the north. And also we have Muskegon and also Montcalm County, where we have advisories for lesser amounts. There will be wind involved in this, so where the heaviest snow will be, we could see a little bit of power outage or a few power outages, and obviously very heavy snow to shovel on top of that. Okay, 8-day forecast featuring even some sunshine building in a little bit on Sunday, and overall a quiet pattern once again next week, albeit certainly colder than the previous week we came off. Remember, yesterday it was in the 50s.
Yeah, so quite a bit colder. Okay,
Yeah.
Matt, thank you.